My mom gave me her old Christmas tree. It's a white flocked Christmas tree. She's already done all the hard work because the lights went out on it and she has cut off all the lights. I'm going to get it out of the box and see what it looks like in my dining room. We are hoping that it's going to be a good spring backdrop. I do like the tree. I love it in the black dining room, of course. I mean, it goes. I'm gonna put some lights on her, of course. I think it'll be a good spring decor. I'm going to decorate this white tree. I did a video how I lit it, and I'm gonna edit that and put that on YouTube. So hopefully y'all will check that out and go follow me on YouTube. I'm gonna decorate this tree, and I'm going to be using the black and white ribbon that I used on the Dashing Through the Snow tree this past Christmas. It's gonna look great in my dining room, which has black walls. I'm going to also be using these bows, and this ribbon is black and white plaid. It's also listed holiday hang-ups, but I love this ribbon. I use it all the time, almost in like every seasonal tree. I'm always using this ribbon. It is so versatile. You can use it with literally anything. I think this will be a great ribbon combo. Those look so good in my black and white dining room. And then some other things I'm gonna be putting in the tree. I have these white hydrangeas. These are also listed holiday hang-ups. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous. You can see how big they are. They're like a mop head hydrangea, and they're that real touch, so they like feel like a real flower. They're so pretty. They're gonna be so beautiful in there. I'm also using, I'm gonna use some of these houses. These are very popular. People are really loving these houses. So I'm gonna use a few of these houses. They're also listed holiday hang-ups. Check them out. They're not gonna be there. They're moving. So check these out. They're so cute. They light up. Ta-da! They're gonna be so cute in there. And then I've also got some blueberries. I just got some blueberries. They're gonna go with the blue. And I have the bubble ornaments. I use them in the snowy owl tree. And I have some on order that I'm gonna get for this coming Christmas. So be on the lookout for those and check those out in the tree. See how you like those. Let's see how it comes together. Okay, so far I've gotten one 10-yard roll of ribbon at the top. I put in some white pampas grass, and I've got the black and white bows here, and the houses. I ended up with 4 houses, and they're just sitting in there. I don't have any wire on them or anything. Now I'm going to probably add, the hydrangeas and the blueberries. Here's the first look. I might want to work on that ribbon up there. And I might cut those shorter at the top, but we've got pampas grass, black and white 1-inch ribbon, blueberries, hydrangeas, black and white plaid ribbon in bows. Got a few little sprigs in there. The beautiful spring Easter houses. I've got 4 houses in here. I've got the bubble ornaments. They just fill up space without taking up space in some way. They fill in the space, but they don't block the light or change my color scheme. They go with any color scheme. So Anyway, this is the first look. Too bad it's in the corner in my dining room. I do love it. The hydrangeas are really pretty.